Hello, time for another unboxing video. We have another Gibson to unbox. This arrived today. Another guitar from Sweetwater. Looks like it's got a box inside of a box. So, let's get this box out. Lots of packing material, that's nice. Catalogs, don't need those. Alright. Let's pull the box out. Okay, we have the regular size Gibson box now. Let's see what we got. This is packed nicely as well, which is kind of expect that from Sweetwater, I guess. My last one was packed well too. And we have another gig bag. I didn't get any candy this time, I'm a little pissed off about that, but that's okay. Anyway, here's the gig bag. I kind of like these. The last one I got was pretty cool. So let's set this on the table. First off, let's see what we got with the guitar. Alright. Gibson strap. Gibson bag with pre-packed checklist. Baby photo. Kind of giving the guitar away, but poker chip, if I so choose to put that on. Owner's manual, truss bar adjustment tool, and a cloth, polishing cloth. Alright, enough of that. Oops. We'll pick that up later. Okay, let's see what we got. Play inspection. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, this time we picked up the Gibson Les Paul Special in Satin Ebony. Actually, the Gibson Les Paul Special Tribute. That's pretty sharp. All right. That looks pretty cool. All right. Well, ready to get this set up and we'll do a little demo of how it sounds. Be right back. Alright, do a little demo here on the tones. We'll start with clean in the neck position. Distortion. Start in the neck position. tone demo of the Gibson Les Paul Special Tribute. All I did was tune the strings, and that's how it sounded straight out of the box. Plays nice, feels nice. May have to set the action down just a tad, and I think we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.